It's hugely important because it lets us monitor how much progress is going on. It really leverages your time. So I'm not driving 2 hours from, say, Santa Rosa to Gilroy, or 3 hours. You really, I can do it from here. So that's where I see the huge benefit right now. Initially it was very heavily used in the field. But then as everybody's working remotely now, the forward planning teams, the project managers, our construction folks that build houses, we're all kind of coming together. And definitely the tools are there, and it gives us the ability to, again, just making sure that every day we're in sync. I have the sites flowing every week on a Friday, so you guys can do the post-processing over the week, and then come Monday, we have a fresh view of what happened last week. And it's a valuable tool to, again, going back to working off the same sheet of music when you're talking with inspectors, SWIP people, contractors, coordinating work. So it's a valuable piece of the software that's very, very well used. I think it's a valuable piece of the puzzle, because on a regular construction project, it's fairly straightforward. But when you're doing a lot of over-X or remedial excavation, the stuff that independent is very good at doing, it takes out the gray area, and we're always on the same page.